Hi guys, Brian here, Big B Rebooted. Ready to go on another fishing adventure? I know I am. I'm going fishing today, wade fishing with my buddy Jim. He's been in a couple different videos. Hey, there's Jim. And we're going to be fishing for some bass. We've never fished this section where we are walking up right now, so it should be fun. It should be interesting. Stick around. Yeah, I missed this one. That's not a bad bass. Come here, Nut. He hit it really goofy. There we go, guys. Not a bad bass to start the day. See you later, buddy. Try to straighten him up there a little bit. There's one. I watched him come up. I watched him come up after it. Well, I know the hook's sharp because I just stuck it in my thumb. That was a pretty decent little bass there. Just missed another one. There's one. That's not a bad one. Not a bad one at all. Awesome. He hit that one. Here. He hit that one pretty much as soon as it hit the water and dropped. See you later, buddy. There was a hit. Did I get him? Yeah. Look at the size of this monster. Trophy! I think he was as big as the Helgermite. There just went something. I got him. Oh! That, did I get it? I got him. I still got one. He hit it, got off, and this one hit it. I'm telling you right there, see where the darker water is? It's right on this side of that darker water. Okay guys, there you go. See you later, buddy.
Yeah, I was like, he was almost right to me.
There's a nice one. Oh my, yeah. You know what's sad? I thought I was stuck. I don't have my net.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Hello. Hello, gorgeous. There you go, guys. See you later, buddy. He didn't hit that hard. That was just sort of like a tug, and then I thought I was stuck. Oh, here we go again. There's another one. Oh, that's another nice one. Oh, he got off. Do you see where that was at?
Yeah.
Now he cracked me.
I'd have a line fighter. I would have had that one.
You get him? Yeah, he got him.
Not bad one.
There you go. Jim's got another one.
Oh, huge.
There's one. That one might be a pig. It's coming right to me. Okay, not anymore. Yeah, that's a nice one. Okay, so he's not the pig that I thought he was, but still a decent bass overall. Look at a beautiful bass. See you later, buddy. There we go, that was a little better. Did you get him?
This is big.
Jim's got a nice one on it, looks like.
Feels it.
That's a decent bass. There you go, guys. You're gonna get one with that. You are definitely gonna get one. I'd be shocked if there's not one laying there. There's one. He's not a very big one. I mean, he's in the, I don't know, about the 8-10 inch range. Okay, guys, there we go. See you later, buddy. Oh, and he just smashed into my leg. That's gonna cost you. There you go. Did you get him?
Yep.
We play it right, man. There's going to be several of them we pull out of this little hole. A big one.
Feels like it. Yeah, he's definitely dead.
From Jim's reaction, I'm going to say that's a pig.
It is.
Nice. Very nice bass, man. Very nice bass. There's one. That's a nice one, dude. That is a nice one. I don't think he's as big as what you just had, though. Okay, guys, there you go. He's about in the, I'm going to say in the 13, 14 inch range. He smacked it like a truck. That's laying it right over there in that slack water. He come right up and just pounded it. Did you get another one? Oh, Jim's on fire down there, man. Jim is on fire. There we go. There's one. Yeah, that's another pig, dude. That is a pig. Gee whiz. Yes. He's coming right down in front of us. Oh, he swallowed it. Come here, sunshine. We'll get that out of you. Well, my name's not Orville Redenbacher. There you go. See you later, buddy. That works. Ah, you hit another one. Yeah. We're into them now, guys. Jim's got another one. Yeah, he's got a decent one. There's a decent one. Oh my, yeah. Holy crap. Okay, guys, there we go. Another decent one. See you later, buddy. It's amazing. We are catching all these smallies literally in the same spot.
Yep, I'm hooked up again.
I didn't see how I could miss him. Well, I think if I'd have been fishing with my other rod, it'd have been a little bit different for me today. There, I got him. Yeah, he's not a bad one. I'm surprised you didn't shake the hook there, Slick. That seems to be the mantra of the day. There you go. See you later, buddy. Yeah, and this is my new reel.
Really?
Yeah. Well, that's what I'm going to end up doing. There's, what is that, an eagle? Hawk. He just kind of hanging out. He's looking for fish or something.
Might have a white hat on it.
That's an eagle.
Did he get it?
That was awesome.
That was Johnny.
Did you get him?
Yeah, this is a big one.
Sweet.
Yeah. Full drag like that. Is that right?
Yeah.
As soon as I can get him in, I'll hold him up for you.
Do you need a hand? Oh, that is a frickin' monster. Woo! Okay, guys, that's gonna wrap up today's adventure. Man, did we get into some bass. Jim caught himself a nice hammer, about 19 and a half inches. Thing was a monster compared to what we were catching most of the day. Man, you know, days like they try you. I had reel issues, I had shoe issues, I had rod issues, I had issues, just plain and simple. But man, we still managed to catch a bunch of fish. So, you know, Jim, thank you for coming. He's getting this stuff off. Thank you guys for going along with us, man. I appreciate it. If you like the videos I post, give me a thumbs up. And if you like the videos I post to my channel, man, like the channel, man. That's what I'm for, you know what I'm saying? So, until next time, guys, keep on fishing.